Welcome to the University of Airlangga, one of the most prolific university in Indonesia, especially in Surabaya city. Today, we want some discuss about important issues about green campus in University of Airlangga, especially and the lack of biodiversity. These issues we must discuss about these issues because the lack of biodiversity and green campus in Indonesia, especially in University of Airlangga, provide comfort, shade, and essential habit and support around life us. In this video, we must continue discussing this green campus University of Airlangga, and we have to explore what green campus in University of Airlangga, what model it is.
Do you know that there has also made a remarkable impact? One of the examples is the campus green park, which will now have like 700 meters of open green space. The forest park that UNER has made not only is a place for students to relax and enjoy the outdoors feelings in Surabaya, but also serve as a living laboratory that supports environmental education and biodiversity. Do you know that UNER also received a significant contribution and achievement by this initiative, achieving a high score in the previous rating within the UI Green Matrix Sustainability Assessment? However, despite this achievement, a challenge remains. A single green forest area cannot fully compensate for the pressure from rapid infrastructure development. Many paths between buildings still lack shade, making them hot and uncomfortable to walk on, especially in Surabaya Indonesia. Additionally, some green spots are limited in plant diversity and are disconnected from each other, which restrict wildlife habitation and within the overall ecosystem.
The reduction of green space can lead to several negative impacts on campus life. With fewer trees, the temperature becomes significantly hotter and walking outdoors feels more exhausting. Air quality can decline because there are fewer plants absorbing carbon dioxide and filtering dust and pollutant. Water absorption becomes weaker, increasing the risk of puddles and flooding during the rainy season. It also affects the animals that live around campus. Birds, insects, and other small creatures lose their natural homes. More importantly, a lack of green space can influence mental health, making the campus feel more stressful, rigid, and less inviting. All of these issues make it clear that maintaining and expanding green areas is essential for healthy, comfortable, and sustainable campus environment.
To address the challenges, several meaningful actions can be taken. University of Airlangga can expand green areas across more the campus rather than focusing on one location. By planting a greater variety of native species, campus can support wildlife and also strengthen ecological balance. Green space also need continued maintenance to ensure that the plants will survive and also will grow well. And when planning on new buildings or facilities, green space preservation must always be included in the design so that the government will not always come to the expense of nature. Students and staff can also play an active role, including as garden maintenance, planting events, sustainability programs, and biodiversity clubs. Enhancing shaded pedestrian routes and walkable green corridors can also encourage students to move around the campus more comfortably and reduce reliance of vehicles.
UNER has strong potential to become an even greener and more sustainable learning environment. With the campus community's increasing awareness and involvement, we can build a future where nature and education grow together. As a student, we can take a simple step, like we can care for plants, we can participate in green programs, we can propose ideas for greener space, and support responsible campus planning. So, let us commit to making UNER not just a place for academic, but also a thriving green space that support health, comfort, and the future of our planet. So together we can protect our environment and create a campus we are proud to call home. Thank you for watching, and let's take action to save our green campus today.